Full stack refers to a web development role where the developer is responsible for both the front-end and back-end parts of a web application. A full-stack developer has knowledge and experience in both the client-side, front-end, and server-side, back-end, technologies required to build a complete web application. On the front end, a full-stack developer is responsible for designing and building the user interface, which includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They need to ensure that the user interface is visually appealing, intuitive, and responsive. On the back end, a full-stack developer is responsible for building the server-side infrastructure of a web application. This includes designing and building databases, writing server-side code, building APIs, and integrating third-party services. In addition to technical skills, the full-stack developer also needs to have good communication and problem-solving skills, as they need to work with various stakeholders such as designers, product managers, and clients. As a full-stack developer, you are responsible for developing both front-end and back-end web applications. Here is a roadmap that can help you to become a full-stack developer. Basic web technologies. Start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML provides the structure of a web page, CSS is used to add styling and layout, and JavaScript is used to add interactivity. Front-end frameworks. Learn popular front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. These frameworks help in building complex and scalable web applications. Back-end technologies. Learn server-side technologies like Node.js, Python, Ruby on Rails, and PHP. These technologies are used to build APIs, web servers, and databases. Databases. Learn SQL and NoSQL databases like MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL. These databases are used to store and retrieve data. API design. Learn about RESTful API design principles and implement them using tools like Swagger or Postman. Authentication and authorization. Learn about various authentication and authorization mechanisms like OAuth 2, JWT, and session management. DevOps. Learn about deployment and automation tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins. These tools help in deploying applications and managing infrastructure. Cloud platforms. Learn about cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. These platforms provide scalable infrastructure for hosting applications. Security. Learn about common web application vulnerabilities like XSS, CSRF, and SQL injection. Implement security best practices to ensure application security. Testing and debugging. Learn about various testing and debugging tools like Jest, Mocha, and debugging tools in browser. Continuous learning. Keep yourself updated with the latest technologies and best practices in web development. Attend conferences, participate in online communities, and read blogs to stay up to date. By following this roadmap, you can become a successful full-stack developer. Remember, it takes time and effort to master all these technologies and tools, so be patient and consistent in your learning.